Hi and welcome. I'm Olga from Olgamigurumi. I'm a crochet designer and a big lover of amigurumi dolls, miniature clothes and cozy handmade details. I've been creating amigurumi characters for years, and I've also taught several classes here on Skillshare, like how to crochet the doll's body, embroider the face, make the hair, and even design her dress and boots. In this class, we are going to add a new piece to the wardrobe of our dolls, a tiny hooded coat. This isn't a step-by-step class. It's more like a guide where I'll show you the key points, shaping the body, adding the sleeves and hood, finishing neat edges, and adding small decorations. You'll learn how to adjust the coat to fit any doll, make the hood and sleeves fit perfectly, add fun details like tassels or pom-poms. I'll use my own doll as example, but you can easily adapt everything to your own doll or amigurumi character. Along the way, I'll encourage you to try, test, and adjust each part. By the end, you'll have a beautiful hooded coat and the confidence to create your own doll clothes. Let's get started and have fun crocheting.